In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personas to pie chart on Looker Studio. We'll start inside Looker Studio, Google's reporting interface, and build a clean pie chart that breaks down your data by persona. Personas are simply a categorical field in your dataset, like persona, user type, or customer segment. Our goal is to display how each persona contributes to a chosen metric, such as sessions, users, or revenue, so you can quickly see relative share at a glance. Begin by opening Looker Studio in your browser and navigating to your reporting home. Open the report where you want the chart to live. If it opens in viewing mode, switch to editing by clicking edit at the top. You'll need edit access to make changes. Once you're in edit mode, look to the top toolbar and choose add a chart. From the gallery that appears, select pie. Your cursor will change and you can click and drag on the canvas to draw the pie chart to the size and position you prefer. Don't worry about perfection here. You can resize or move it later. With the chart placed, look to the right-hand panel and make sure you're on the Setup tab. This is where we connect data and define what the chart shows. First, choose the correct data source. Pick the source that contains your persona field and the metric you want to analyze. If you have multiple sources with similar names, take a second to confirm you're selecting the one powering this report page. Next, set the chart's dimension to your persona field. This is the label that slices the pie. It might literally be called persona, or it could be something like segment or user type, depending on how your data team named it. After that, choose the metric. This must be a numeric field you want to total by persona, such as sessions, users, transactions, or revenue. Think about what you want the pie to represent. Count of users is great for audience composition, while sessions or revenue shows engagement or value distribution. The chart will automatically calculate each persona's share of the total metric. As a quick quality check, glance at the legend and verify that the personas look familiar and that none are unexpectedly blank. If you see many tiny slices, it can mean your dataset has lots of niche personas. That's normal, but it may be more readable if your underlying data groups similar personas together. That's it. You've opened your report, switched to edit mode, added a pie chart, placed it on the canvas, and configured the data source, dimension, and metrics so the chart displays personas clearly.